Let's begin by declaring a constant named URL which will hold the string of the cross-origin resource we want to fetch. In this case, it's the URL of an image located at example.com/image.png. Next, we use the Fetch API to initiate a request to that URL. We pass in the resource's URL and an options object. The options object has two properties: method, set to get, indicating that we're reading data, and mode, set to CORS, which stands for cross-origin resource sharing, allowing us to make a secure cross-origin request. Once the request is made, we handle the resolved promise with a then clause. Here, we define a function that takes response as a parameter. First, we check if the response is not OK using the OK property. If it isn't, we throw an error displaying the HTTP status. Otherwise, if the response is successful, we call blob on the response object to extract the binary data as a blob object. In the subsequent then clause, we deal with the blob object. Here we use URL.createObject URL passing the blob as an argument to create a new URL representing the blob object. We assign this URL to a new constant called ImageObjectURL. This URL can be used as a source for image elements. We demonstrate this by selecting an img element in the document and setting its src attribute to the ImageObjectURL. Lastly, we add a catch clause to handle any errors that might occur during the fetch operation. If an error is caught, we log it to the console with a message fetching binary data failed, providing the error object for further inspection.